Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a brake light on your Mercedes GL450. First, open your vehicle's tailgate to gain access to the rear light area. Next, find the small access panel or trim cover located inside the trunk, usually near the light assembly. Gently remove this panel to reveal the back of the light unit, preparing for the next steps. Now, you'll need to unscrew the two retaining bolts that secure the entire light assembly in place. Once these are removed, carefully pull the light assembly straight out from the vehicle. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips or wiring. Then, twist the specific bulb holder counterclockwise to release the old, burnt-out brake light bulb. With the old bulb out, take your new brake light bulb and carefully insert it into its designated holder. Twist the bulb holder clockwise until it clicks firmly into place, ensuring a secure connection. If you have some, applying a small amount of dielectric grease to the bulb's base can help prevent future corrosion and ensure a good electrical contact. Finally, carefully push the entire light assembly back into its original opening on the vehicle. Reinstall and securely tighten the two retaining bolts you removed earlier. Before closing everything up, have someone press the brake pedal while you check the new light to confirm it's working correctly. This ensures your Mercedes GL450 is safe for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.